Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan 370Z airbag light. This quick guide will help you address that persistent dashboard warning, potentially saving you a trip to the dealership. We will cover a straightforward manual reset method, discuss common reasons the light appears, and advise on when it is crucial to seek professional help. Let's get that light turned off and ensure your safety system is functioning correctly. Before attempting a reset, it is helpful to understand why your airbag light might be on. Sometimes, even a small bump or a recently disconnected battery can trigger the warning. Issues with seatbelt sensors, often found under the seats, or damaged wiring are also common. Additionally, a faulty clock spring, located within your steering wheel, can cause this light to illuminate. Identifying the cause can prevent the light from returning. Here is a common manual reset procedure. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Watch the airbag light. It will stay on for about 7 seconds, then turn off. As soon as it turns off, quickly turn the ignition off within 1 second. Wait for more than 3 seconds, then repeat this entire sequence 2 more times. On your 4th attempt, turn the ignition on, and the light should now be reset. While the manual reset often works for minor glitches, if your airbag light reappears or stays on, it indicates a more serious problem. In such cases, an OBD2 scanner can read specific supplemental restraint system fault codes for accurate diagnosis. Crucially, if your airbags have deployed or your vehicle was involved in a significant accident, a simple reset is not sufficient. Always consult a qualified technician to ensure your safety system is fully operational and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.